Everything you do, you carry parts of the Haitians. Anything I bench, you give me joy. Everything you downstairs, we drop on the stairs. Don't be silly because you don't get money, you come the post. Come on, step down on your feet, I take your rack and clean my leg. I want to dance things straight.
I know you say get this kind of talent.
Oh boy, no, it's about it.
Which studio you going to go? I never this one, and I believe you will get many songs.
Oh boy, I got many tracks. Oh.
Are you serious? Which studio you go?
That one, yeah, studio for this street. Oh, I tell you.
See, make I tell you, like I see the upcoming, I advise you make you attend this Sound Garage studio for Badore, Remlek, gate number 8.
This one, the Sound Garage.
Forget Sound Garage is the number 1 in Chanko. In the whole Lagos, the guy is the number 1. Sing rubbish, he will correct you for them. It's the number 1. If you're an upcoming and they sing, you enter there. You go start, the guy will do everything for you. I call you, make I call the number for you. 070 30 73 9187. And their number, their phone number, if you chat it on WhatsApp, anywhere at all. And their email, josparcleft@gmail.com. And their email be that Badore Remlek. Remember, gate number 8. And then be that you go blow. I can't remember.
Highway.